So I don't know why these have so much tape on them. Maybe the person who owned them was just trying to cover up how ugly they were. It's kind of like when you date an ugly girl and you stay with her because you just kind of like her, what's it called? Personality, yeah.
Tiptoeing in my Jordans, I done came down tiptoeing.
Here I'm using nail polish remover, and you just want to go back and forth like an argument. So I'm recording this on a new mic, and I don't know why, but it just makes my voice sound super different. Not like bad or anything, but I just feel like I don't even sound like myself.
Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, comment down below something you'd want to see. I understand that this probably wasn't the most fun video that I've done. I have a couple banger videos coming out in the next couple days. So just hit the like button and I promise the next videos you guys are gonna really enjoy. Thank you guys, bye.